We designed a home that looks at health and wellness and how when you design with all five senses, not just sight, but like sound, touch, hearing, that you can really enhance the human's ability to thrive in an environment and humans' health and wellness, and the benefits to that. The design we have here is modern and contemporary in nature, and it's really looks at how the landscape can pierce through a home, and how the connection to the exterior is very, very important for ourselves to be living in. Inherently, primally, we want to connect with nature as it really calms us down, reduces stress levels, anxiety levels, and the benefits to that are immense. In terms of materials that we've used, a lot of natural materials, so you can see the wood siding supplied by South Perry Lumber really evokes a nice texture and organicness, which again is, I think, very calming to a lot of people, and so that's why we selected those types of materials. So here you can see the interior, and one of the main concepts is the idea of the interior and the exterior bleeding in and out from each other, which has become very important in terms of home design and its connection with nature. So you can see here the kitchen island, which the countertop is made out of laminam, bleeds out to the exterior courtyard. And there's a living wall, which adds to the biofilter in terms of helping to control air quality and having healthier air so that you're more comfortable in your home. So if you're interested in sort of architectural models like this, you can visit our website, vf-a.com, and we do custom residential homes, and the first step would be to start with a consultation, a phone call or sit down with us, and then we can go about preparing designs for your home.